Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the DVD drive is not working or is missing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So that's the case with my computer too. See, the real reason behind this is that the DVD drive does not exist anymore. So it is not include the drivers are not included. So you can search for DVD drivers on the on your browser, and you can also search for the name of your brand of computer if it supports it. Okay, and then you can download the drivers. Actually, you would mostly get third-party drivers. You won't get genuine drivers easily for DVDs. So we can download it from this website and install them. Okay. So you'll have to download it from the website. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.